feel happy. I want to do something good today.
I am making my son's favorite meal today. He will be so happy when he sees it.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my dear.
I will help you.
Thank you, my dear son.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, darling.
Good morning, Dad.
Breakfast is so delicious.
Yeah, Dad.
Thank you, my loves.
Mom, I want to help today.
That's very kind.
I am learning slowly.
That's okay, my love.
It is hard.
But you are doing great, my dear son.
Nice to see you both working together and helping each other.
I am proud of you, my little boy.
Thank you, Mom. I feel happy helping.
Helping brings happiness.
Helping each other is a great moment.
Yes, Daddy.
Great, my little boy. Let's clean the living room together.
Okay, Mom. I will arrange this.
We keep things neat and clean.
Now everything looks perfect.
It looks nice.
Well done, son.
You did great job together.
Mom, can we rest now?
Yes, my boy.
I enjoyed it.
My dear son. You worked well. I love you, darling.
I love you too, Mom. I like spending time with you. You are best parents in this world. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it feels fresh.
Fresh air is good for us.
Yeah, Daddy. I feel relaxed. Can I get some snacks, Mom?
Let's prepare some snacks.
Let's do it, Mom.
Let's sit together and eat some snacks.
Today feels so peaceful.
Yes, Mommy.
Helping
at home is nice. I love helping you, Mom.
Yes, it is very important. Love you more, my son.
You did a great job today, my boy.
I am just trying my best, Dad.
We make a good team.
Yes, we do.
You are best son ever.
Time passed nicely today.
Spending good time together. I feel so good and happy today. Love spending time with you.
Let's keep things neat and clean together, my dear boy.
Everything feels calm right now. I really like this quiet time at home. It makes me feel relaxed after a long day.
I like sitting with you like this, and I feel really happy when we are all together. We are always together, and these small moments are very special for us. This tea tastes really nice. It feels warm and comforting, just what I needed after such a long and busy day. Really like this tea time. I enjoy sitting here with both of you.
We will clean everything again later. But for now, we can just sit and relax together. That is also important.
Okay, Mom. I understand. I also want to enjoy this time with you.
Maybe we can take a short walk outside. The fresh air will feel nice, and it will help us relax even more.
That sounds really nice. I want to go outside with you.
The air feels very fresh today. It is calm and quiet.
Walking like this together feels very peaceful. It helps me forget all the stress from work.
Everything looks so beautiful. The sky is so nice, and the air feels cool.
Stay close to me. I want us to walk together. These small moments mean a lot to me.
Walking like this together feels very peaceful. It helps me forget all the stress from work, and I feel more relaxed.
Everything looks so beautiful. The sky is so nice, and the air feels cool.
Let's go back home now. It is getting a little late, and we can relax again inside.
Home feels very comfortable now. I really enjoy this calm and warm feeling after our walk.
Okay, Mom. Feel a little tired now. but I am still happy.
Drink some water. It will help you feel better, and you will feel fresh again.
It is important to take care of our health. Even small things like drinking water matter a lot.
Today was a very good day. We worked, we walked, and we spent time together.
Yes, it was a really nice day. I feel relaxed now, and I'm happy we spent this time together.
I learned so many things today. Helping at home feels really good, and I want to do it again.
That makes me very happy. Learning small things at home is very important for you.
Let's prepare for dinner now. We can all help together again. It will be nice to work as a team. Keep learning like this every day. Small efforts become big habits, and I am very proud of you.
Yes, I want to help again. I really enjoy working with you. It makes me feel useful and happy.
Thank you for helping me again. It makes cooking much easier, and I feel very happy when we do it together.
Let's eat together. I feel hungry now, and I am excited to taste the food we made.
Everything looks very nice so that the table is clean, and the food smells really good today.
Today was very special for me. We worked together, and we spent so much time as a family.
I really enjoyed today. Helping at home and spending time together made me feel very happy.
Yes, it was a wonderful day. I feel relaxed now, and I really enjoyed every moment with you.
Everything is clean again. We did a very good job today. I am proud of both of you.
This is a good life. Simple, calm, and full of love. I feel lucky to have this family.
I understand now. Small moments like this are very special, and I want to remember them always.
Yes, these small moments are the most important. They stay with us for a long time and make us stronger.
No matter what happens, we will always stay together and support each other in every moment.
Today was a very special day. I feel happy and thankful. Hope you enjoy English learning videos. Like, subscribe, and stay with us for the next story.